Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this tutorial. Now in this tutorial I am going to show you how to use mirror feature. Now if you select this create tab, then various functions are there. Now I have explained you the basic feature up to rev. Now instead of explaining all these features, I will explain you how to or mostly use features for you, and whenever any of the other feature is required I will explain you at that time. Now next mostly used feature or mostly required feature is mirror feature. Now there are two types of mirror feature. One you can use in sketch mode and other you can use directly for modeling. So first of all I will explain you how to use mirror feature while using sketch option. Now for that purpose I want to select create sketch option, create sketch, then select this plane. Now if you want to use, let us suppose, extrude feature or revolve feature, any feature, for that purpose initially you need to provide a sketch. Now for while drawing complex sketch but it is having any symmetric or whatever sketch you are drawing, it is symmetric about one line, then how you can use mirror feature in order to reduce the work or reduce the efforts required for drawing that sketch. I will show you how to use mirror feature for that. Let us suppose I will select this spline option, and let us suppose you are drawing one complex cross section which is not a regular. So let us suppose using this spline feature I am going to draw one complex cross section or shape. Press OK. Now this cross section I have drawn by selecting multiple points randomly. Now if you want to prepare one object which is having this as a cross section, that is this cross section is symmetric on about its central line. So instead of drawing this spline on this side I will use mirror feature directly. Okay, so here it is located mirror feature. So let us suppose first of all I am going to draw one line which is required as an input for mirror feature. I have drawn this line. Press escape. Now in order to copy this curve or in order to mirror this curve on other side I will use mirror option which is available in the sketch, mirror, then object, that is this curve that I have drawn, then select the mirror line. So this central line which I have drawn. So directly after selecting this mirror object and mirror line, it will automatically create similar curve to previous one. Then press OK. So instead of using spline option and again drawing similar curve on the right side, using mirror feature I can directly mirror the required sketch parameter or any object on the other side. You need to draw one only central line about which you want to make use of a mirror feature. Now finish this sketch mode. I have finished this sketch mode. Now I want to extrude this feature or extrude this cross section area. So use extrude option, then select this one and this one, then give the thickness as per the requirement. Let us suppose I am giving here 30 mm or 30 mm and OK. So I have shown you as an example only one simple sketch, but whenever there is a very complex sketch then you need to prepare only it on the one side, and using mirror feature you can mirror that sketch previously drawn complex mirror sketch on the other side also. Now this is a mirror feature available while sketching. Now I will show you how to use mirror feature while directly copying a 3D feature. Now let us suppose I have opened second window for that purpose. First of all, make all the planes visible. Now let us suppose I am selecting this plane and create sketch option. First of all, I want one rectangular bar for showing how to use mirror feature. For that purpose, let us suppose I am drawing this square of 40 by 40 mm. Then finish this sketch mode. Now I will extrude this cross section on both the sides of the plane using extrude feature. So select this extrude option. Automatically that cross section will get selected. Now use symmetric option on both the sides of the plane. Total distance, let us suppose I am here entering as a 80 mm. Then as I have finished this preparation of the solid bar, square solid bar, I will press OK. Now if I want to join one circular portion on this face, so again using this face I will click on right side and again go for create sketch option. Now I want to join one circular part over here, so for that again I will need to make use of a extrude feature. So for using extrude feature, first of all I need to sketch. So let us suppose I am selecting this circle option. Then at any point I am drawing this circle. Let us suppose diameter is 15 mm. Then finish this sketch. Now I will use extrude feature, extrude, then select this cross section and distance, that means thickness of it at whatever I require. Let us suppose 25 mm I want as a thickness and join. Okay, so this. Now I have joined this circular part or circular rod to this initial square rod. Now if I want to join similar circular cross section or circular rod on this other face or backside face of the rod, now instead of selecting again this face and drawing one circular cross section on this and using and then using extrude feature for creating a similar circular cross section, I will use mirror feature over here. So for that purpose, what I will do, under this create option, go for mirror. So that creates a copy of selected faces, bodies or features or components across a plane. So for this purpose I am selecting mirror option. Now what I want, this feature, that is extrude feature, or using extrude feature I have created this circular portion, so I want to mirror that feature. So for that purpose, let us select the object. I have selected it in the wrong way. Press escape. Again go for mirror feature. Then select this as object. Then as I have selected this object, then let us suppose mirror a plane. So the plane across which I want to make use of or I want to mirror the feature. So let us suppose select that mirror plane. Now instead of selecting over here, I will go to origin and select this vertical plane, that is YZ plane, which is shown as a, or which is blinking as a white one. Okay, so this plane, YZ plane, and computed options are there. Automatically I will select this adjust. Now why it is adjust, I will explain you in the next video or whenever time comes. Okay, so let us suppose press OK. So whatever cross section or whatever feature we have used for creating this circular rod, in that similar way one circular rod is created on the other side of that square bar. So I have reduced my work. Instead of selecting this face, then use create sketch option to draw a circle, and then using extrude feature I can create that. But instead of using all these steps, I have use simple mirror feature to copy this circular portion on the other side. Only thing required is one mirror plane which is midway between that feature. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt regarding any video, you can contact me. Thank you.